So hi everyone, we're done with content research, which I did with the Google search engine. So remember, the Google search engine is the best for the content research, but you can use other things. I don't mean it's the best. You can use the Google search engine for your content research. So the next is in the paragraph. In the first paragraph, use the micro. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is basically for content writing. It's reasonable to say a paragraph is basically the first 100 words. The first 100 words is a paragraph. So in the first paragraph, let your primary keyword appear. So let's go to WordPress. This is for WordPress. So if you want to write on WordPress, either you click on right here or you click on over on post. Then you click on what add new post. So let's do this. So this is where you put your text. This is where you have the title. So let's paste the text here. Whatever I've researched on. This is what I've researched on. And I want to cook. I want to write in here how to cook red meat. So how do you add your primary keyword here? This is how you do this, right? Let me add my primary keyword. If you want to learn how to cook beans with red oil, this blog post is for you. So let's check if our primary keyword is there. For my research, this is the research I did in it. This is my previous research. So which is our primary keyword research? This is the primary keyword research. So let's search. You do Control F. You paste. So this is my primary keyword in the first paragraph. So that is done. I got this. So let's move on to the next.